Austin here with Franklin Documents. So here's the difference between silk coated paper, gloss coated paper, and uncoated paper. So the silk and the gloss are very similar. I have the silk here on the left side, and I'll go ahead and put the light on there. The silk and the gloss are next to each other, so the gloss is the second one, which is in the middle. And you can see they both have kind of a shine, and that's going to be where the ink is printed. There will be some shininess. There is a subtle, small difference between gloss coated and silk coated. Silk being on the left, gloss being in the middle. Now we go to uncoated paper. There's absolutely no coating on this, so the ink tends to absorb into the sheet. And so your colors actually do come out a little bit duller. Some people say they might look a little faded or look drier. Sometimes that's good for environmental pieces or pieces where you want no glare at all, but the colors will not pop as much on the uncoated sheet. Now I'll go ahead and zoom in here, and you can see the difference between the uncoated and the gloss. The gloss has a much richer color because all the color stays on top of the sheet, on top of the coating. Whereas with the uncoated paper, it actually absorbs into the sheet. And so you get a duller looking print. It's definitely more matte looking. There are certain uses for it, and we can do a good job printing on uncoated paper. But that is the difference between this first one here, silk coated, the middle being gloss coated, and uncoated paper.